Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first direct actions. Update Windows to the latest cumulative build, because many Gamebar bugs are fixed there. Next, enable Xbox Gamebar in Settings Gaming. This restores system hooks. Once done, use Settings apps to locate Xbox Gamebar and choose Advanced Options, then Reset. That clears corrupted local data without reinstalling. This sequence fixes most startup failures, and it primes the system for the deeper troubleshooting steps that follow. You now handle the middle, more technical steps. Update your GPU drivers using Device Manager or the GPU Vendor Installer. Choose DCH drivers if offered, because compatibility improves. Then check services. Open services and confirm Windows game recording and Xbox-related services are set to manual or automatic and are running since Gamebar depends on them. Once done, reinstall the app with PowerShell by removing and reinstalling the Xbox Gamebar package. This replaces corrupted binaries and restores missing dependencies, making the bar functional again. You finish by validating the fix and adding a key troubleshooting tip. Press Win+G to open Gamebar and test overlay functions like recording, audio capture, and widgets. Grant any missing permissions. Make sure privacy settings allow microphone, camera, and background apps to run, because blocked permissions silently break features. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile to determine if the issue is account-specific. This often isolates corrupt user data. If that fails, note the one tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.